Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best cheap drawing tablets you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. In our guide to finding the best drawing tablets, we show that designers, artists, and creatives do not always need the best equipment to complete their work, and there are a number of very good, cheaper alternatives to the more expensive models we review here. Although a reduced price comes with some trade-offs, many of the best cheaper tablets lack built-in screens, which can be frustrating for some users. Although many are willing to trade off this feature, there are exceptions. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Wacom CTL 4100 Intuos Graphics Drawing Tablet with Software. The Wacom Intuos SM is our top selection, CTL 4100. This is the device for you if you want something that is both economical and gives more than you expected. The drawing tablet is small and stylish, with a body thickness of 8.8 mm and dimensions of 7.9 by 6.3 inches. Because it works on both the right and left sides, the Wacom Intuos SM, CTL 4100, is quite ergonomic. It also just weighs 8.2 ounces, making it convenient to transport. The tablet's active area is 6.0 by 3.7 inches, which is on the tiny side but still highly useful. The dotted screen area enhances the product's attractiveness while also being tailored to your specific desktop demands. More than 75% of the drawing tablet's active area is available. It is available in two sizes, medium and small. On top of the active area, the Wacom Intuos SM has 4 huge shortcut keys. These can be used to reduce the number of tasks you have to do while working. You may also tweak the shortcut keys and assign certain task functions to make your workflow more efficient. This is a tablet that never stops giving. It also has the advantage of dual platform compatibility, as it supports both Windows 7 and above, as well as Mac OS 10.11 and higher. Corel Painter Essentials 6, Clip Studio Paint Pro with a 2-year subscription, and Corel Aftershot 3 are among the 3 free software products included. The pressure sensitivity of the Wacom Intuos SM is 4096, with a pen resolution of 2540 lpi. Although this is not an ultra-smooth experience, it is rather good for the price. The pen is battery-free and has 4K pressure sensitivity, so you can write on paper with it. Because the pen has a good grip and is ergonomically friendly, it may be used by both left and right-handed people. It also features EMR control, which aids in drawing precision and control. The pen's best feature is the ease with which it can be gripped. On number 4, Veikk A30 Drawing Tablet. A large 10 by 6 inch active drawing area is offered by the Veikk A30 Graphics Drawing Tablet. Its battery-free pen has 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, giving you precise control whether you're drawing, painting, or editing. 4 customizable shortcut keys speed up your productivity so you can jump from app to app with ease. For added convenience, a unique motion pad allows you to zoom and brush. This function is great for painting because it saves you a lot of time. Veikk A30 is also one of the lightest tablets on this list, weighing only 570 grams and making it ideal for on-the-go use. The battery-free pen, like the other choices, eliminates disruptions in productivity and making it easier to work while on the go. On number 3, Huion Inspiroy H640p Drawing Tablet. It offers all of the features required for sketching, painting, and/or editing and is ideal for first-time users. An 8192 level pen pressure sensitivity and battery-free stylus make this tablet as responsive and easy to use as possible. Android compatibility is one of the H640p's unique features. In addition to supporting Windows and Mac, it can also be used with Android phones. It is not yet possible to support iPhones and iPads. Thanks to the high-quality materials used, the product will last for a long time. It offers a bezel-free silhouette and smooth, active surface area that are ideal for sketching and illustrating. On number 2, Wacom PTH660 Intuos ProDigital Graphic Drawing Tablet for Mac or PC. A great drawing tablet for architects and designers, the Wacom Intuos Pro features a replaceable pattern sheet drawing surface that mimics paper. There are also 8 customizable express keys on the Wacom Intuos Pro, 4 on either side of the tablet. Moreover, they are ergonomically designed to fit both right and left-handed users. You can also use the drawing tablet as a trackpad by using the multi-touch feature. Turning off the trackpad is an option if you're not a fan. A battery-free stylus pen is also included in the Wacom Intuos Pro, as well as replaceable pen nibs. Our most expensive pick is the Wacom Intuos Pro. On number 1, XP Pen Deco 01V2 Digital Graphics Drawing Tablet. With affordability and features, the XP Pen Deco is a great option. Hence, it offers precision control thanks to the pressure-sensitive pen that requires no batteries. The settings also allow you to customize the pressure and sensitivity. When used, the pen feels balanced and accurate. You can click on either the right or left shortcut buttons. It is possible to customize them as well. It sketches like a real pen, so drawing becomes an enjoyable experience. Furthermore, it can be easily set up. With 10 by 6.25 inches and an 8mm thickness, this tablet is larger than most of the tablets on this list. Since the express keys on Deco can be rotated to either the left or right side, it can be used by both left-handers and right-handers. As this is a desktop or laptop device, it cannot connect wirelessly. In addition to its minimalistic design and ultra-slim profile, the XP Pen Deco is also portable. In addition to Windows July 8, 2010, this drawing tablet is compatible with Mac OS 10.10 and higher. However, Android and iOS are not supported at this time. As well as working with major design software, the XP Pen Deco is compatible with Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. In addition to a sturdy pen holder, the XP Pen Deco can be stored horizontally or upright. A hidden storage compartment in the pen can hold 8 additional pen nibs. I would describe the XP Pen Deco as being one of the best models in its price range that offers a wide range of features. Drawing tablets are a great way to get started if you're a beginner. So guys, this was the video about the best cheap drawing tablets. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.